Hey, this is your girl Bombshell coming back with another quick video. Okay, ladies, I just want to come in and give you the finished look of the Microlink application that I did on myself. This style is very easy to maintain. It is also good, healthy for the hair if it's installed properly and if it's maintained properly. Right now, I got it just pulled up, and as you can see, your hair becomes seamless if it's done correctly. The way I got it installed is where I can park it in the center. I can also wear a high ponytail, or I can wear a updo like a bun. Like so. Or I can do the high-low, where half up and half down. So again, this style is very easy to maintain, or you can just simply wear it down, either or. Again, this is the Microlink. As you can see here, I installed these on myself. So if you're definitely in need for something different, this is great to add fullness to your own hair, and as well as length. So definitely check it out. If you're ready to book this application, follow the link in the description, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna put this up in a high ponytail, like so. So yes, it becomes seamless with your own hair. But ladies, as you can see, this is no sew-in, no glue application, no glue application, none of that. So yes, you got a high ponytail, a midway ponytail. Well, let me just redo that on the side. So yes, it's great for any updo styles, like so. And you can wear it down, up, high pony, bun, or however you want. And you can, this is human hair. You can also color this hair while it's installed in your regular and your hair. You can have it color, shampoo, and of course silked out or curl or however you would like. So definitely check it out. If you're ready to book, follow the link. This is your girl Bombshell. Talk to you in my next video. Bye.